Logan here at the Coastal Carolina Yachts, and today I'm excited to show you Pursuit's all-new DC 286 dual console. This fills that gap between their 266 and their 306, taking pieces that they've learned from both their smaller and larger, combining it in one great new model. So let's go ahead, dive on in. It has a beautiful big boat profile, oversized hardtop. Notice how beefy those supports are. And we always like to get all the covers for the boat, including your bow and aft, to keep the boat nice and clean. Though it is a 28-foot long hull, it is actually 29 feet 11 inches length overall with those swim platforms. Nice wide beam at 9.6. See your through hull windlass right there. Sharp V entry with a great riding 21-degree dead rise. It is powered by the popular Yamaha V6 4.2 liter digital twin engines. These engines are both digital electronic steering, DES, and digital electronic control, DEC. So what that means to you is you can always add joystick if you'd ever like. And cool feature here is our steering is all enclosed in that nice little cylinder. With these engines, range is going to be about 330 miles, running about 30 miles, top end mid 50s. And you can find all that information there on Pursuit's website, the performance review. Stepping on board, notice how long these swim platforms are. Easy crosswalk, makes it easy to board there from either side. Also adds some protection to the engine. In addition, here at the transom, we have 4 rod holders and the optional pop-up ski pylon. Stepping on into the cockpit, bear with me. There are a lot of great features and popular options to look at just in the cockpit alone. So let's go ahead. First, we're going to notice just huge area back here. Great for fishing or entertaining. Right there is going to be where you can put up your optional table. First great feature, we have a flush port system here for our engine. That is standard raw water, fresh water, and look, some more fresh water there, just made to fish. In addition, with those rod holders back there, nice deep box and deep live well. Some more rod holders on the side, and we even have 2 rod holders here on either side. That is standard. Taking a look at the seating, just in the cockpit alone, rear facing seat right here, armrest, even a built-in cooler below the seat. We have the optional port side jump seat, rear jump seat. And then in addition to that jump seat here at the wet bar, large cup holders back there for your larger Yetis, little sink, chlorine countertop, deep storage down here, trash can, and this one does have shore power with a plug right there. If you are boarding here on the starboard side, they have a little bit higher step right here, make it nice and easy. And then a nice big tuna door, dive ladder right there as well. Whether you do your own maintenance or going to take it to your dealership, everybody's going to love how clean this machinery space is. Just notice how everything is labeled, plenty of room, and finished flooring down there. So looking at our piping and our windshield frame, beefy, oversized, and sharp looking. Again, oversized hard top as well. I want to go up here though and just take a look at the visibility with that big windshield. I'm just under 6 feet. Great visibility, and typically up to about 6'5", 6'6", you're going to have good visibility. But I actually sort of like the way that they left about 6-7 inches up there, where we can take that isinglass off and get a lot of airflow in this boat. But again, if you ever need to close it up, just a few small pieces of isinglass. Taking a look at the helm. First, we're going to drop right below the helm seat. Here is where we're going to find our battery switches. As we look at the helm seat, this is a good example. This is the upgraded white interior with gray accents. But just look at the stitching. All this is done in-house. Of course, we have armrests there. Garmin VHF right there. Digital throttle. Again, everything is digital on this boat as far as throttle and steering. You do get the black Edson steering wheel with our premium dash, along with that nice synthetic teak below. Flush mount 16-inch Garmin screen there. So this has the oversized 16-inch screen. Notice how it's actually customized to this model. Separate CL5 gauge. So all of our engine data is right there. And then lastly, probably one of my favorite features, if I see it on any boat, are a wireless phone charger holder. And right below the seat, we are going to find our optional fridge. Great for keeping drinks cool all day long. So we've seen some storage, but this boat has one of the larger amounts of storage I have seen for a boat this size. There's your traditional ski locker. Right here, our bow block off door, but right behind it, storage. And then stepping forward, again, more in-deck storage. Notice how you can use that cockpit table right there as well. And then again, more storage. That storage is finished, and great little place for the 5-gallon bucket. I love how they make a dedicated spot for that. Let's talk a little entertainment. JL audio system. Everything can be controlled here at the helm. Really like this volume button. JL audio speakers, right there's your sub. And then speakers throughout the boat. And on the lighting, I'm going to spin over here. Optional mid-level blue LED lighting for the nighttime, and then your standard cockpit lighting. Stepping forward the helm, big, deep bow seating. I'd certainly feel safe with my 2 little ones up here at any time. Again, we've already talked about it, but beautiful upholstery and armrests with the nice stainless steel grab holder. Taking a look at the windlass locker. Beautiful setup here. Deep room for all the rope to run down. Freshwater and raw water hookup here. Right here is our remote. And one of the coolest features on this boat, we can actually use our dive door ladder right here. So we have bow boarding. Please reach out with any questions. Subscribe if you like the content, and have fun out there in the water.